Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and as promised I showed you the unboxing of the Zamac set. Now today we are going to be unboxing the Zamac cars. As you can see, this has come in a very interesting packaging and we get 6 amazing cars in this set. And you see this comes in a flip up box, and over here you see the cars. You can display it like this, and over you can display the cars, and also over here you've got a slit, so you just slit it open. You just slice it, and then when you open it like this, you can take out the cars. And the cars, you need to be very careful with the cars, because see, the cars, they look like this and they come in this box. And this is a blister. It's a huge blister. It can contain 6 cars. And now we'll just look at the cars one by one. First of all, this is the Shelby, and this is the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. You can see right here. The detailing is amazing, and as I have told you multiple times, the speciality of Zamac cars is that they do not have any paint, just die cast, and then you get the decals on them. The orange is actually a decal. It's not a paint, it's a decal. And over here also you can see there is not much detailing on this, because there is no painted lights or anything of that sort. And you get a little bit of interior detailing. The windshield looks good, and overall this is a good casting. I love Shelby Cobras, and this one is a great addition. Then we come on to another one from this, and this one is the Land Rover Defender Series 3 pickup. Now this one is an iconic casting, and we have seen it in multiple variations over the years. And you see, you even get a spare wheel in the pickup bay. Over here you can see that it has got some decent front detailing. Again, Zamac cars are not meant for detailing. These are just meant to, be cherished in the unpolished form that Hotwheels offers them. And at the rear also you've got a similar bland finish, but the finish is very good, and the polished metal, it looks really nice. This right here is the Nissan 370Z, and finally, after looking at the first couple of castings, I can see that this has got not only some great decals, but this has also got headlight detailing. You can see that there is some decal on the headlights. The headlights look good, and even the wheels look quite good on this one, which is quite rare for a car of this series, but the wheels look really good. And again, the classic 370Z shape at the back. Not much detailing, but overall the silhouette of the car looks really neat. Now we come on to this El Camino, and this has got beautiful red line wheels, and if you can just look at it closely, it has got some rusted look. It has got some brushed up look, like it's a barn find. That kind of look has been given in this car, and it's got a chrome base which looks really nice. And the front detailing is also decent, and over here you've got some details on the pickup bay, and then at the rear also not many details, but the highlight is this paint finish which you can see up close. One interesting thing I'd like to show you is that you get this logo that says Zamac 10 years. Now that is something that I have not seen on the other cars until now. So yeah, Hot Wheels is celebrating 10 years of Zamac, 10 years since they started bringing out Zamac cars, and this is a great set to cherish that. Generally, we do not see a lot of supercars and hypercars in the Zamac series, but this one is an exception. This is the Aston Martin Vulcan, and I think I've already shown you the premium version which I have, but this one is with a beautiful dual tone. This has got the black roof and everything, and it's got a black spoiler which is really nice, but you need to be really careful with this because this is a plastic spoiler. At the rear we do not have much details, but you have got the diffuser and everything, and at the front you've got this nice grille, and there is a little bit of detail at where the logo of Aston Martin should be. And the car looks really nice with the black windshield and the black roof and everything. And overall this is a really nice casting, and it looks out of place in this because there are a lot of American cars and pickup trucks and all of that, but it's something different. And finally we come on to the last car of the series, but also the most special car of the series. This is the Hudson Hornet. If you have watched Cars the movie, this is the Hudson Dock. If you've seen The Doctor, then this is that one. And this is one of the most beautiful cars ever, and the livery is also really nice. You get red decals on the Zamac, which is really pretty. And also you get some decent detailing up front because we've got the chrome base. We got the chrome base that extends to be a part of the grille. Even at the rear we've got the chrome base extending to be a part of the bumper. You get some detailing on the top also. There is some detailing on the top also. And as I told you, the base is chrome, And if I have to choose one car, I'll definitely choose this because I've got a Hudson Hornet collection and I've got a lot of these. And this is one of my favorite cars, but I really like the other ones also. The Land Rover is quite nice. Even the El Camino with the barn fine rusted look, it looks quite good. So guys, this was the Zamac 6 car pack, and all of these are extremely rare cars, and the price and everything I'll be disclosing in the video. I believe it is close to 12 to 1300 rupees, but these are really worth it. And if you import a single piece Zamac car, it will cost you around 500 easily, single piece. 6 such good castings for that price is quite good. And once again, very happy that Hotwheels has come back to India and it is offering some great castings in India. This is a great set, and if you like Zamac cars, like I showed you a couple of Zamac cars earlier also, if you've got these, then you should get these. It'll really add to your collection. And the best part why I did an outdoor unboxing about this is because you get this kind of packaging, you can open it, you can enjoy them, and then you can keep it back again safely. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked it.